Hi, what's your name?
Uh, my name is Amaurys.
Amaurys. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How do you spell your name?
A M A U R Y S.
Perfect. Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Oh, nice. Now, what about you? Could you answer those questions in English?
Maybe?
Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to do it.
Okay. I'm ready.
Great. Let's begin. Hi, I'm Elizabeth. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Amaurys.
Nice to meet you, Amaurys.
Nice to meet you too.
That's one of the first conversations you can have in English.
And it's pretty easy.
Exactly. Let's try it again.
Okay,
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Amaurys.
Good. You can say, I'm Amaurys.
I'm Amaurys.
Or you can say, my name is Amaurys.
My name is Amaurys.
Both are correct.
That's easy.
Now it's your turn.
You mean the person watching?
Yes.
Okay,
What's your name?
say your name out loud.
Good. Now say, my name is, and add your name.
My name is Amaurys.
And I'm Elizabeth.
Nice to meet you, Elizabeth.
Nice to meet you too. Amaurys, I need to write your name.
Okay.
How do you spell it?
A M A U R Y S.
Let me see. A M A U R Y S. Correct?
That's right.
Great.
Sometimes people have trouble with my name,
That's why spelling is so useful in English.
especially when your name is Amaurys.
Exactly.
What about your name?
Elizabeth.
How do you spell Elizabeth?
E L I Z A B E T H.
Wow, that's longer than mine.
It is.
So the question is, how do you spell your name?
Correct.
How do you spell your name?
E L I Z A B E T H.
Got it.
Now let's practice with you.
Listen carefully.
How do you spell your name?
Say the letters slowly.
Good. Let's try one more time. How do you spell your name?
Your turn.
Excellent. Okay, I know your name now,
Yes.
but I don't know much about you.
What do you want to know?
Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
The Dominican Republic?
Yes.
Nice.
What about you?
I'm from the United States.
So we can say, I'm from
Exactly.
the Dominican Republic.
And I'm from the United States.
What question do we use?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Now ask them.
Good idea. Where are you from?
Answer out loud.
You can say, I'm from, and then your country.
For example, I'm from Mexico.
I'm from Colombia.
I'm from Venezuela.
I'm from Ecuador.
Or any other country.
Exactly. Now you try. Where are you from?
Great job.
You're from the Dominican Republic.
That's right.
Do you live there now?
No, I live in New York.
Ah, okay.
I live in New York.
So listen to the difference.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Very good.
Those are different questions.
Exactly. Where are you from asks about where you come from.
And where do you live asks about where you live now.
Exactly. Let's practice. Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Now it's your turn.
Where are you from?
Answer out loud.
And where do you live?
Your turn.
Great.
Elizabeth, we've been using I'm a lot.
We have.
Like, I'm Amaurys.
Right?
And I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Exactly.
So that's the verb to be, right?
Yes. I am becomes I'm in everyday conversation.
I am Amaurys.
Correct.
I'm Amaurys.
Perfect.
So I am becomes I'm.
Exactly.
What about you?
You are.
You are Elizabeth.
Correct. And naturally, we can say you're Elizabeth.
You're Elizabeth.
Exactly.
I'm Amaurys.
You're Amaurys.
You're Elizabeth.
And I'm Elizabeth.
Okay, that's not too difficult.
No. And the best part is you've already been using it.
Without thinking about grammar.
Exactly.
I like that.
Me too.
Let's try something different. Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you nervous?
A little.
That's normal.
What if the answer is no?
You can say, no, I'm not.
Okay.
Are you Elizabeth?
What? No, I'm not.
Are you Amaurys?
Yes, I am.
Perfect.
Okay, I understand.
Are you?
Yes, I am.
Or
No, I'm not.
exactly. Now let's practice with you. Are you a student?
Your turn.
Are you new to English?
Answer out loud.
And one more. Are you ready to learn?
I hope you said yes.
Me too.
Okay, Amaurys, here's your folder.
Thank you. The blue one?
Yes, the blue folder.
I like blue.
Really? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black?
Yes. What about you?
My favorite color is blue.
Of course.
Why, of course.
You gave me a blue folder.
Okay.
What other colors do we have?
Let's see. Red,
Green,
yellow,
white,
orange,
blue.
and
Don't forget black.
black.
There you go.
Now let's ask them. What's your favorite color?
You can say, my favorite color is,
My favorite color is blue.
and mine is black.
Now it's your turn. What's your favorite color? Great.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Amaurys.
Nice to meet you, Amaurys.
Nice to meet you too.
How do you spell your name?
Amaurys.
Got it. Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic. What about you?
I'm from the United States. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. What about you?
Blue.
I knew it.
How?
The folder.
Oh.
See?
Okay, you got me.
It was nice meeting you, Elizabeth.
Nice meeting you too, Amaurys. Okay, now it's just you and me.
You're on your own now.
Ready? Hi, what's your name?
Your turn.
Nice to meet you. How do you spell your name?
Take your time.
Great. Where are you from?
Your turn.
Where do you live?
Answer out loud.
Are you a student?
Your turn.
Are you new to English?
Go ahead.
And finally, what's your favorite color?
Your turn.
Very nice meeting you.
How did you do?
If some answers were difficult, that's okay.
Practice this conversation again.
Every time you practice, it gets easier.
And you'll feel more confident.
Exactly.
Okay, one last challenge.
This time, introduce yourself without our help.
Tell us your name.
Spell your name.
Tell us where you're from.
Tell us where you live.
And tell us your favorite color.
Here's my example. Hi, my name is Elizabeth. Elizabeth. I'm from the United States. I live in New York. My favorite color is blue. Nice to meet you.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Introduce yourself.
Take your time.
Great job.
You just introduced yourself in English.
And you can use this in real life.
At school?
At work.
Or when you meet someone new.
Exactly.
See you next time, Elizabeth.
See you next time, Amaurys.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.